Attention, attention. Big news coming your way. Big news coming your way. Attention, attention. Please get ready for the new channel. We're starting it now.
Hello! It's official. We have started putting more content on the new channel, Blossom Your
Creativity.
So please go over and sign up. We need you. We desperately need you. So we can put more content, more exclusive content up there, right?
Correct. Because we're tired of not keeping everything separated. And as soon as we get to 100 views, every video, we're moving everything over.
Yes, so please help us. We need your help.
We don't need all of you. We just need at least a good 100 people that are going to watch every video.
So spread the news. Show everybody you know.
Come on, get 100 or more. We're ready to move it all over to the new channel. And then you don't have to watch what, Debbie?
The Potpourri channel that has just about everything on there, like shopping, prepping, all that stuff that I can't stand.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Go and see our channel.
Please run over there right now to the new channel, Blossom Your Creativity, and please sign up. Start watching the videos as soon as we start getting 100 views per video. Everything's going to the new channel.